Okay. This is my mission for the day.
Imagine we go on this knowing we step on a dead bird.
What she said. We're looking for a dead bird.
Oh my god, that's what you came out here?
Yeah, looking. Where is it? Where was it last time? Liar! Move over. I'm finding this dead bird. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Where are you? No. Oh. We are walking. Ow. Ow. I'm fine. We're running. No, we're not.
There's eyes.
Okay. Okay.
There's a dead bird.
So we are walking. There's no.
There's a dead bird.
There is no dead bird, you liar. Okay. So we're walking, and this little girl is lying to me. Okay. We're on our way. I'm not gonna play that. Because there's no dead birds. The video's over.